আমরা এখন দাঁড়িয়ে আছি জিয়া উদ্যান, যেটা মোহাম্মদপুরের পাশে অবস্থিত। এখানে চারপাশে দেখছেন আমাদের এক ঝাঁক শিক্ষার্থী, তারা ইংলিশে কথা বলছে, তারা বাংলার মতো করে ইংরেজি শিক্ষার জন্য এখানে চলে এসেছে। আমরা সবসময় ইনডোরে ক্লাস নেই, বাট আউটডোরে ক্লাসটাও আমরা সবথেকে বেশি করি, কারণ ইংরেজি শেখার জন্য এমন একটা জায়গা দরকার যেখানে র্যান্ডম টপিকে কথা ক্লাস ইজ নট সাফিসিয়েন্ট ফর লার্নিং ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ, আই বিলিভ। কারণ ভাষা শেখার জন্য দরকার একটা ওপেন স্কাই, যেখানে সবাই ভুল করবে কোনো সমস্যা নেই, বাট র্যান্ডমলি ইংলিশে কথা বলবে। সেই পরিবেশে আমরা তৈরি করে দিয়েছি ইংলিশ ফ্যান্টাসি কেরিয়ার। চলুন তাহলে দেখে আসি ওরা কী করে ইংলিশে প্র্যাকটিস করছে।
Go for some exercise which may help you a lot for your pronunciation. Do you make understand?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
What do you think about English Fantasy's outdoor class?
English Fantasy's outdoor class is really great.
Amazing. We are enjoying it.
Today our last outdoor session. I am too much happy. I think that outdoor session is effective for us.
Actually, it was very good. Now I am over the moon. This is very fantastic. Outdoor session is very important for us.
Especially the environment, as well as teaching method, and as well as mentors, teachers, and each and everything is good. You have seen our outdoor class and all these activities going on. So, what do you think about this initiative, taking students
before
outside?
I even answer the questions, I got to tell you this. I didn't even know that you guys are arranging such a beautiful program, though. So I was actually browsing through the bazaar. The guy called me, "Hey, let's meet, let's hang out," and I saw like the crazy amount of people are practicing English in open world, which is not really bad things to do, honest. Because let me tell you this right now. You know, when you learn English, you have to get out of your home and you have to practice in open world, because it's a language, it's a more practical thing. So if you think you can stay at home and you can practice English, this not gonna work though. So for myself, I always try to go out, try to interact with the people around my place, just to speak, just to learn better English. Honestly, it's not bad at all. That's what I can say after all.
Okay, so you talk to our students also. So, what do you think? Are they good enough?
Yeah, moderate, not bad. No, I mean they're going with the flow. I must say.
Actually, when they came here 1 month or 2 months ago, they didn't know anything about English. They can't even speak a single word. So, what do you think? They are improving?
Well, honestly, I didn't know how were they back then, but like some of them I tried, they're speaking pretty good. Not bad at all.
Okay. Thanks for encouraging our students also.
Yeah,
Thank
sure,
you.
no problem. I'm just trying. Trying.
Thank you. We are the best. We are the best. We are the fighter of English Fantasy.